Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Hunting. In today's video, I am sharing an excellent opportunity from Volvo Group for the position of Graduate Apprentice Trainee, Data Analyst under the NATS Apprenticeship Program. This opportunity is open for 2024 and 2025 batch graduates. If you are interested in data analytics and looking for an opportunity to gain industry experience, then this role can be a great choice. This is a one-year apprenticeship program where Volvo provides practical training and skill development to fresh graduates. During the apprenticeship, you will work with the after sales teams and gain hands-on experience in data analytics and reporting. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. Candidates should have a completed BE or B.Tech. Preferred specialization include computer science, data science, statistics, and mathematics and related fields. The job location is Bangalore, so candidates should be willing to work and relocate to Bangalore if selected. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, as a data analyst apprentice, you will collect, clean and analyze data from various sources such as sales records, inventory systems, service records, and customer feedback and digital platforms. You will also create dashboards and reports, track key performance indicators, identify trends, and provides recommendation that helps to improve business performance and customer satisfaction. During this 1 year apprenticeship, you will get practical exposures to the tools such as Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau, and Python or SQL. Now let's discuss the application form. Candidates need to fill their full name, gender, mobile number, email ID, educational qualification and specialization, pass out year, percentage or CGPA, institute name, current location, and many more, and fill out the other required details. The form also asks whether you are interested in working in Bangalore, whether you can join on 7th July 2026, and whether you can travel to Bangalore for joining. You will also be asked about your proficiency level, visualization tools you have to use, and whether you have experience building dashboards like that. Make sure you fill all the required details carefully and do not leave any mandatory fields empty. Review all the information before submitting the application and select I agree in the declaration section. The application link is available in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Study Hunting for more job updates, internships, and placement opportunity. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your future.